Hey SASD staff, while last week I talked about the best conventions for messaging students and families, today I want to talk about a bit of a more fun and creative topic, which is digital color matching. So bear with me as we sort of talk about a little bit of the technical things, and then we get into how to actually do it. On a screen, colors have certain numbers associated with them, and it tells the computer how to display that color. So this number is based on RBG scale. RBG stands for red, blue, and green, and the number tells the computer how much of each color is in that particular shade. So one way to write this digital color value is by writing out the red, the blue, and the green. Another way of writing the equivalent of the RBG value, but that pares it down to only 6 characters, is the hex code. And how a hex code looks is it has a hashtag and then it has 6 characters. And why I say characters is it can include both letters and numbers, while the RBG value only contains numbers. You may be asking what the letters stand for. So sometimes you'll see an hex code and it'll be FF3400 or something. The letters also stand for numbers. So essentially it's a long list of numbers, but they sort of are sort of like algebra. They're like standing in its place. To figure out exactly a specific color that you need, you can upload your photo to a color picker and it will tell you the hex code and the RBG values. Let's do an example. So my example is going to be the SASD purple color. The district purple color from the logo. So what you do is you can just type in color picker from image in Google. Now I'm recording my screen. So I go to imagecolorpicker.com, but if you scroll down, it says upload your image. So I click that of the SASD logo, click OK. And now I have the logo on the website. And so now all I do is I hover over, I click it, and then over here it tells me the HTML or hex code. It's hashtag or pound sign 5F00A2. And then it also tells me the RGB code, which can be used in things like Photoshop. But anyway, so now that I have this, I'm going to go ahead and copy it. And I just copy it to my clipboard. You can put it in a Google Doc or something. That's actually where we're going to go next. The next thing we're going to do is try to match the color in the Google Doc. So how to color match, let's say that's what you want the title of your document to be. I'm going to make it humongous, 25. Okay, that was anticlimactic, so I'm going to go ahead and make it 50. Okay, now I'm going to go ahead and go to text color, just like if you would normally change your text color. But instead of clicking on one of these that they already have for you, you want to click the plus button. Yes, it gives you all of these options, and you probably know that you can, make any shade. But look, when you touch any shade, it changes the hex values. You want to go ahead and just erase that hex value up there because you have your own. You brought it to the party. So you do Control V to paste it, click OK, and now that is the exact same color as the SASD purple in the logo. Okay, the next thing we're going to go to is how to enter in your hex code in Canva to get that exact same color again. So now I'm in my Canva account. Okay, now I'm going to go. I sort of found this Instagram post area, and this one says remote learning tips for learning from home. And I said, okay. So I'm going to click that. I don't want it to be that blue color because I'm going to use it on district social media, and therefore it should have a certain look. So all you have to do to change the color in Canva, which you might know, is click on whatever you need to change. In this case, it's the background. Click on the color where it says background, and it brings up this again. It's changing the hex code in the bottom, as you can see. You want to delete it again, just like in Google Docs, and do Control V, and that is the exact SASD logo color. Now what's great about Canva is I don't think you can change all the backgrounds at the same time, but if you go and here's the next page, click on your background color, and now it saved that hex code in your document colors, so you never have to type it in again. And one more thing before I sign off, say you need to go back and forth between Canva and Google Docs, you can also do that really easily. So I'm going to have a different color. I want it to be this yellow color. And I want to put this yellow color that I use in my Google Docs over on Canva because I'm going to make some sort of graphic that looks good. How to find the hex code is really simple on Google Docs. Highlight the color, go up to the text color, click custom, and the hex code is up here. So you would go ahead and copy it, and then you could put it in Canva the exact same way I already showed you. You can also do it the opposite way. So say oh my gosh, I love this bright blue color that's in Canva, that's in this Canva template, but I want to match it exactly in Google Docs because I love this color. It's sort of like paint matching in your house. Like it's got to be exact. Doesn't have to be exact on your Google Docs, but I like the comparison. Anyway, okay, so copy the color, click the text color, click on new color, and then copy it from there. Control C. You can bring it back into Google Docs, hit custom, paste it. Oops, go in the Hex Code, paste it. Okay, now that exact color is in there. So I wish you the very best in matching your colors. Please let me know if you have any questions. I hope that those of you who thrive on precision really loved this tutorial, and I'll see you next week.